Welcome to all to this Geospatial YouTube channel. Particularly in this session, we are discussing about PhD and related works. And last video, we have discussed about my research work. In that video includes the title of my research work, introduction, and aims and objective my research work. If you didn't see that video, I give the link in the comment box. Please go through the link and see that video. And particularly in this video, we are going to discuss about the study area chosen for the study analysis. In addition with the basic thematic maps which are prepared for the study area. Those things we may plan to discuss in this particular video. For choosing of the study area for this research work, the detailed analysis was carried out with the already completed research works by the other earlier researchers along Tamil Nadu coast. And from that we have noted that most of the studies were carried in the developed sector only, and least amount of study only carried out, and which also in the regional aspect only. They conduct a study over this part of the study area. Hence, this part of the study area was chosen. The chosen study area was covered with 97 km of coastal length, southern Tondi in the south and Rajamalam in the north, with a uniform width of 25 km from the present-day shoreline. The study area covered with an aerial spread of 2,477 square kilometer of the square kilometer. And in addition, in this slide also display the bounding coordinates and a list of topographic sheets fallen within the study area. Further, to understand about the administrative division of the study area, administrative division map was prepared. The prepared map displaying the study area was covered with the 4 districts, namely Tanjavur, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram and Sivangai. In addition with the 9 taluks and 554 villages. Further, to understand about the aerial spread of the the study area, the table was prepared with reference to the total area of administrative division compared with the area fallen within the study area. On the basis, the analysis was conducted and this table was prepared. The prepared table displaying nearly 483 number of villages are covered with 100% of the area within the study area, and the rest of the villages are covered with different percentages. Yes. Among 9 taluks within the study area, 2 taluks, namely Peravurni and Manamelkudi, was covered with 100%. That means in Peravurni 84 villages are there and Manamelkudi 70 villages are there. Both 84 and 70 villages are covered within the study area. The study area is fallen in the semi-arid region and doesn't have any major ephemeral major streams in this major river, and the notable drainage streams are Pambar, Vella, Ambuliyar and Yagniyar, which are flowing towards east into Park Bay region. To understand about the geology of the study area, the geology map was prepared using already available GSI map, which is in 1:500,000 scale From that noted that major part of the area was covered with the quaternary landforms. Within the quaternary landforms, fluvio-marine landform feature was occupied with a major part with the aerial spread of 1,206 square kilometer. In addition with the quaternary landforms, the tertiary sandstone was noticed with 628 square kilometer in the northeastern part. To understand about the tectonic fabric of this steady area, lineament map was prepared. Initially, the satellite data was used for extraction of lineaments. The major faults also noticed in the seismotectonic and previous studies also included within the prepared lineaments. The highlighted lines are displaying the seismotectonic and previous study faults, which we will discuss in the later part of the tectonic fabric of the study area video. Further, to understand about the orientation of the lineaments, the Rose diagram was prepared. The prepared Rose diagram displaying more number of lineaments are oriented in the northeast, southwest, northwest, southeast direction, and the least amount of lineaments are oriented in northeast, southwest direction with a 14%. Further, to understand about the elevation information about the study area, the freely available SRTM data was used and it was processed, and that displays the major maximum elevation of 65 meters was noticed in over the tertiary upland with a range of 35 to 65 meter of elevation. In the southern part, the elevation ranges into 40 to 45 meters of elevation from the MSL. Littoral current was generally clockwise direction in southwest monsoon and anti-clockwise direction in northeast monsoon period. The peculiar pattern of littoral current was noticed within the Parkway region. That is, during southwest monsoon period, these littoral currents didn't move moving into the Parkway region because of major obstruction between the Rameswaram and Talaimannar in islands. In addition, the coral reefs in between are also the major reason for obstruction of littoral current. For that reason, in this part of the Parkway was covered with a notice with a shallow depth of bathymetry. So that's all we have discussed about the study area and basic thematic maps in this video. In the next slide, we will discuss about the methodology for this research work. That is one of the important thing because that would bring into the step-by-step approach to this research work. And thank you for your spend time for viewing my video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to this channel and give your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.